Dude, good morning. You wanna see what my laptop is right now? Yes. I literally slept like I last time I saw a time which was 1 o'clock and उसके बाद मैंने टाइम देखा ही नहीं मतलब मैं जैसे पोजीशन में था ना उसी पोजीशन में सो गया और सुबह देखा तो लैपटॉप मेरा ऐसे पूरा एकदम मतलब ऐसे and फिर अब मैंने इसको सीधा किया कर दिया dude and I woke up at 7 o'clock so it's a total 5 hours of sleep and I'm still surviving. I'm still alive. So yes, fire sleep is comfortable. Kind of. This is just for some days until we get successful. Once we get successful, then we'll shift back to normal time. Just because of we are not having that much time to have a beautiful sleep. So that's the reason fire sleep is. Have to do this. Signing off. Let's do trading study. Trade चल रहा रहेगा ना क्या इसमें? So good morning. Dear, welcome. This is our society. Yes, it's so big, isn't it? So, I came out waiting for the one friend is coming to pick us, and we're going to go to office with him. Yes, him. So this is what it is. I regret to say this that after I get up, then I literally start doing study of trading, and then I like while doing study. I literally got sleep for 1 hour. So I wasted my 1 hour from these 2 hours. So 1 hour I did study, 1 hour I slept. So total round figure something like this is what it is, dude. So 5-6 hours total round figure I slept, and I really regret for this. And this will definitely will not repeat again. Will for sure we will make sure about this. बहुत धूल है यहाँ पे अंदर थोड़ा जाके रुकता है यार. Signing off. Good morning. Going to job. After that we going to home. Dude, we are. We're in the fucking city bus. Oh my god. There we drop to Magarpatta Chowk. This is a Magar and it's beautiful. I love the structure of that, pull. It's totally like a tree. You wanna see? Up here it is. Oh yeah. So now what's our plan is? Now we're going to Kharadi bypass to catch a Nagar bus. I know that you won't be able to hear my voice, but still, I want you to convey what I want you to convey. This is what it is. Signing off. Enjoy, dude. And guess what? Something is coming. Something surprise is there, so to know stay tuned for that. There, so we take another bus. So see, it is having half bus is kind of empty for standing. So yes, always prefer the city bus rather than rickshaw. Yeah, rickshaw is too good if you wanted to go by sitting, but if you wanted to just stand, then this is the only option you have. So yes. Our plan is to drop to Kharadi bypass and then we'll take another city bus. It's not city bus, direct. It's a direct bus. So yeah, signing off then. I wanted to hear about business things while I'm traveling, but my headphone is in my bag and I'm not able to reach out. If I remove my hand, then I will definitely will reasoning this. So wasting 30 minutes also. There we drop to Kharadi bypass. Oh yes, and I'm speaking very loud because yes, a lot of sounds are nearby me. So what my plan is, what my next plan is, I'm going to plan to take a Shivshai or Shivai just because while traveling I won't be able to do my lectures, my business work in a raid bus. I mean लाल डब्बा बोलते ना, लाल परी. Just because of उसमें खड़ा रहना पड़ता है because बहुत सब ट्रैफिक है, बहुत पीपल रहते हैं उसमें, तो खड़ा रहना पड़ता है. इसलिए शिवशाही में टिकट ज़्यादा तो पीपल कम बैठते उसमें, तो इसलिए सीट्स उसमें ज़्यादा रहती है. एंड वी आर प्लानिंग टू टेक दैट बस ओनली. The probability of getting seat is very high, and once we sit, we can do our lecture, we can work on our business. A lot of things are remaining to do. Sit in signing off. Enjoy. I reached to this Kharadi bypass bus stop. Here a lot of people are there. I probably guess even if a Shivshai or Shivai come, the seat will, if the seat is vacant, then it will, get implemented. So जो भी बस आई उसमें बैठना पड़ेगा because time is seriously taking off. It's almost now 8:02 and time is going, dude. 1 घंटा लगा मेरे को, 1 घंटा मेरे को किधर से उधर से आने के लिए, ऑफिस से खराड़ी वाइपर, जस्ट ऑफिस से खराड़ी वाइपर आने को मेरे को 1 घंटा लगा यार. सो मच वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम. जो भी बस आएगी उसमें बैठ जाऊँगा. बस में बैठूँगा MSRTC के बस में. आई विल नॉट प्रेफर लग्जरी बस, द बस लाइक दिस आई विल नॉट प्रेफर बिकॉज मेरे को ऐसे सेफ लगता है MSRTC के बस में. तो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज डू. साइनिंग ऑफ. नाउ आई विल डू. वीडियो का लिमिट ही खत्म हो गया. आई गॉट बस एंड ऑल्सो सिट, both things. So oh yes, that शिवशाही मिला नहीं, but have to adjust. Start so much sleepy right now. वो बहुत नींद आ रही है और ट्रैवलिंग में 100% नींद आती ही आती है. बट स्टिल क्या करें, क्या पता. वी आर डूइंग बैक टेस्टिंग itself. I probably guess like we should take a nap of 20 to 30 minutes. But घर पे आके सोना ही है. Should I really take a nap? Okay, I will take a nap. Hi there, it's me, Vivek. So I literally slept up till now. And yeah, 30 minutes, every 30 minutes I have kept an alarm, so I will be in touch with my phone. And yeah, I'm going to drop in next 20 minutes. And yeah, this is what it is. Signing off. It was really bad decision to take a nap. I take a nap and I take a nap and I again take a nap and I again take a nap. And it repeatedly happened, and I really wasted my 1.5 hours. It is what it is. Signing off. हां, मग ट्रॅफिक ते शिक्रापूरला अर्धा तास गेलं.